from our perspective. It's not uncommon for companies to have to wait months and months to get a title commitment. It should be done in weeks, but it's months and months. It's what spurred us to create our own title company. We just started Dudley Select Title here in Texas, and we're going to be able to go from the acquisition phase to the surface title phase, to all the mineral and mitigation work that needs to be done, and ultimately be able to write a title policy all in one shop, and all with a cohesive, communication line from the developer to the underwriting. And that all happens in our shop, and our customers, our clients, have access to all the information. They've got access to the rent sheets. They've got access to the mitigation work that was done. They've got access to the ownership reports. We're running these waiver projects just like we would an oil and gas leasing project, where you've got database, you've got, contact information, contact notes. You've got mapping that shows how your mineral tracts overlay and relate to your surface tracts, and where those differences might lie, and where we've secured 100% of the waivers and where we've secured 42% of the waivers. Again, efficient process. And it kind of all goes back to these same things: minimizing your risk, making efficient and smart, informed decisions, and being able to get through this process quickly when you need to, and having it be less jointed and disconnected. The more you can have this thing linear and working vertically and seamlessly with the consultants, with our developers, the better off you can be. It's an exciting thing for us. It didn't take us long to realize that there was a pain point there, and there was a problem, and there's something that we felt we could fix and be a solution. So working with Rindy and groups like hers has been tremendous for us, because it helps us understand, okay, what are you seeing? This is all happening so fast. It's just this big intelligence thing. It's like, okay, what's wrong here? We see these problems. How do we understand the developer's perspective so that we can provide a solution? And ultimately, that's what we're all working for. And champions like Rindy that are really trying to echo what we're saying on our end. That's why we hit it off so much. I mean, we've driven down the road and talked for a long time about this, because it's how can we articulate, our perspective, and how can we make it make sense? What examples can we show? How can we be the answer? How can we be the solution? How can ultimately we want our clients to be successful? And so does Rindy. And if we can bring them success, well, then we're a partner and not just a vendor. And ultimately, partnerships and relationships and trust are what keep you in business, for as long as you want to be. We don't want to be a title mercenary. We want to be a partner. We want to be able to help our clients. We're a service organization, not just some vendor.